Shalom, welcome to Cooking with Chaya. Today we are going to make chicken salad. The first step is to prepare the chicken. I'm taking chicken breast, I'm cutting the extra fat and cutting it and making it a little bit thinner. I'm mixing a quarter of a cup of olive oil, a little bit of black pepper, tablespoon of paprika, a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and some garlic powder, about a tablespoon. I'm pouring the spices onto the chicken and I'm mixing everything in. I'm putting the chicken pieces in a pan. That's the first step for the salad. I bake in the chicken for 25 to 30 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees. So I made the chicken breast yesterday and today I'm just continue to make the salad. I sliced the chicken into long, thin slices. In the meantime, I'm putting some scallion and some cilantro with salt and water to be clean. And now I'm starting to slice some vegetables. So I'm cutting red pepper, yellow pepper. I just slice them very thin. And if it's too long, I can cut it also into a half, that it will be comfortable to eat. And now for the surprise, making the chicken salad special, I'm taking sliced dry mango and I slice them very thin like I did with the peppers, and I add them in. The whole thing, the whole package, and even more. I'm cutting the scallion and the cilantro. I slice them very thin. And I'm trying not to use the stem, so I remove them. I'm squeezing a whole lemon. Now I'm putting a little bit olive oil, salt, pepper, dry hot pepper flakes. And I'm making the chicken salad today, but I let it stay in the refrigerator and it can be amazing by tomorrow, but we can eat it also tonight. So it needs a few hours just to sit with the juices and everything, and that's make the mango to be juicy and very good. That's it, the chicken salad is ready. I will put it in the refrigerator, and thank you for watching and enjoy.